Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Chinese TikTok Douyin on PC or laptop. Most people think that the Douyin has only mobile version. Yes, it was back in the day. However, in June 2021, Douyin released a web version for you to watch videos on PC. To log in Douyin account, to upload videos and manage your video contents. For video creators, you need to know and use Douyin Web because it provides you more tools to grow your videos and channel. And in January 2022, Douyin released a PC version for you to watch video. You can watch Douyin on PC now. You will get bigger screen and feel more comfortable to watch Douyin videos on PC or laptop. I will show you how to use Douyin Web and how to download Douyin PC and how to install it. Now let's dive in. First thing first, let's see how does Douyin Web look like. Enter Douyin official website URL, douyin.com. It will pop up a login alert here. I don't want to log in now, I will show you later. On Douyin Web there is a filter for widescreen video. Click on 横视频, then you will get widescreen videos only. Click here, up to back video, down to next video, or press the up or down on your keyboard, or scroll your mouse wheel. Here are the video categories: recommendation, subscription, live stream, TV, trending, knowledge, games, and foods, etc. You can like, share, comment the video here, and it supports shortcut. Over here, it will show you the shortcut. If you don't like this type of video, don't forget to click on here and hit 不感兴趣 to let Douyin knows you are not interested in this video. If you are a video creator, please click on here to log in to manage your contents, and you can get full data analysis just like YouTube Studio did. Here is for you to log in Douyin account. I will show you later. Now let's get back to how to download Douyin PC version. Over here, 下载 Douyin, and then click on 下载 Windows 客户端 to download Douyin PC client. The first time I came this page, I don't see this option at all. Maybe the web page didn't update it. If you don't see this, you can click on either this one or this one. Scroll down to the page footer. Click on 下载 Douyin, and then click on 下载 Windows 版 to download Douyin for Windows. Because Douyin was newly released, so you might not see Mac version. Don't worry, it will update soon. Or you can search Douyin on Apple Store. Once you finish download, click on the file and then click here to choose the file path you want to install. Usually, you can leave it to the default path folder. If you want to change it, just click on here to choose which folder you want to install. After that, check the privacy policy here. It is checked by default, and then click on 一键安装 to install it now. Once you finish installing, you need to click on 马上开启 to open it now. You can log in Douyin account with a scanning QR code, phone number, or password. If you don't have Douyin account, please check out my other video about how to register Douyin account on my YouTube channel. If you logged in Douyin account on your phone, you need to click on the search bar and then tap scan icon here, or click on the plus icon and tap 扫一扫 the scanning icon. Make sure you're scanning this QR code. Tap 确认登录 confirm to login. And don't forget to check privacy policy here. If you want to log in with SMS code, then select your region and enter your phone number. Click on 获取验证码 to get an SMS code. Enter it here. After that, click on 登录 to log in. If you have set up password before, click on here, select your region and enter your phone number here. Type in password here and click here to log in. If you didn't set up Douyin password, I highly recommend you set one. Douyin account could be blocked. At least, that's a proof of that you own your account. Actually, I recommend you set up a password for all Chinese social media. Just believe me. If you don't know how to set up Douyin password, please check my video about that or go to my website chinahelpforyou.com for more info about Chinese social media tutorials. See you guys!